What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Queen Bougie, and I'm back with another freaking video. As y'all can see by my background, we about to figure this thing out. I told y'all in the last video that I am wanting to now start sewing wigs on the sewing machine. So we are going to record the process of me learning and perfecting the craft. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you are a new viewer, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can get notifications when I upload a new video. And if you are a returning Bougie babe, how you doing, babe? How you doing? Let's get right into the video. So I have been watching videos on YouTube trying to figure out how to thread the daggone thing. And then they told me I have to thread this little piece right here. It's called a bobbit. And I have to thread this because it has to go here. So this is the bottom stitch. And then the top stitch is gonna go whatever. I've been watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos, y'all, but in all actuality, I seen what they was doing, but I've never touched a sewing machine in my life. I got this sewing machine from somebody years ago. I think it's been like, I was at my old house, so it's like been well over 4 years. I got this thing well over 4 years ago, and this is my first time trying to use it. Like I told you, I want to start making my wigs on a sewing machine instead of hand sewing. I feel like I perfected the hand sewing method. So now it's time to make machine constructed units at this point for more durability, more stability, to make sure that there is no imperfections, the lines are straight and things of that nature. So I do have my laptop right here, y'all. The same video I've been watching, this lady, she basically tells you how to set up the sewing machine and things of that nature. So I am about to rewatch this video and figure this thing out. Of course, y'all coming along with me on the process because I want y'all to see that as long as you have persistence and stop procrastinating, that you can also learn a new craft. Like, of course, I already know how to make wigs by hand, but like I told y'all, it takes me about 2 to 3 hours, maybe an hour and a half to 2.5 hours to make a wig by hand. However, sewing it is a much faster process, so I can knock out more wigs in a day than I would hand sewing. So I'm taking y'all along the journey. This is not going to be a one-part video. This is going to be a couple of parts. This is going to be over the duration of time, maybe for the next couple of months or whatever, just so I can perfect my craft and make sure that I really know how to work a sewing machine. And as I told y'all in my last video, I was going to get a new sewing machine, but this one works just fine, baby. Like I said, I got this over 4 years ago. It was free from a friend. And I got this sewing machine over 4 years ago, and this baby is still kicking. Look, she plays no games. So, of course, I do want to get a newer one in the future, but for right now, I'm just going to practice on this, make sure I know how to use it, get the stitching down, make sure I know how to thread it, make sure I know how to fix it if there's any complications or anything of that nature. I'm about to watch this video to figure out how to thread this little motherfucker right here, because the lady showed me what to do, but like in all actuality, I have no idea what that lady's talking about. So this is where your thread goes. If it's short, you can just pull it up. That's what she told me in the video, and it worked. So I'm just gonna put this little thing right here. She said that the thread is supposed to be coming towards this way. So the thread, I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but the thread is back here. But I'm about to turn this video on and figure this thing out. Of course, I'm gonna like speed up the process so you don't have to watch a long video. I am gonna go ahead and speed it up. I'm gonna listen to the video. I don't know if you can get copywritten from watching another YouTuber's video, but I don't have time, and they're not about to copyright me. So we're gonna go ahead and blur the sound out as well, because I don't have time for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on this process, and we're gonna speed it up now. Bougie babes. So it is the next day. I did show y'all the little stitching or whatever I was able to do, as y'all can see that. What I'm about to do now, y'all, is I'm about to draw some lines on this shirt here and see if I can sew in a straight line. That way when I do start to sew the wigs on the sewing machine, I'm able to follow the line, because I did get the silver marker and a gold marker just to line the cap with a straight line, so I can know where to sew at when I am sewing the when I am constructing the unit. So what I'm about to do now is just draw some lines using those markers, because I did buy a lot of them. So I'm gonna draw some lines using those markers just to practice how to sew in a straight line, because I really want to get this down before I get to sewing these wigs on the sewing machine. Because y'all, this hair is expensive, baby. I'm not gonna mess up no good hair. You hear what I'm saying? I'm not doing that. So we're about to start practicing now, and of course y'all gonna see. Yeah.
y'all, I just had to come say something about this part because this part irritated my soul, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm about to start sewing. And for some reason, the thread came out of the needle while I was sewing, so it ain't sew a damn thing. Do you hear what I'm saying? That thing irritated my soul. Y'all finna see it, but I'm gonna fix it and restart it. Yeah. Y'all, it's like 11 a.m. right now, and I just got done eating me some breakfast. I made me some breakfast tacos, but we about to get back into it, y'all, and continue to practice sewing. Because I said, okay, so today is Thursday the 11th, March 11th, right? And so I said that by Saturday or Sunday, I want to try to make my first wig. I am going to keep practicing and keep practicing and keep practicing. I'll probably start off with like a frontal wig first because that's less work as far as how many bundles or whatever I got to put in. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm trying to focus right now. I'm cutting a piece of the pink shirt that y'all seen me working on yesterday. This is what I'm doing. I'm cutting it. But right now, I'm about to cut off a small piece of this because I want to learn I want to practice on how to like turn corners with the sewing machine, because I do want to like sewed me a label inside of the wigs in the back, so you know Bougie Lifestyle Collection. You'll always know where you got that wig from when you put it on, because it's gonna say Bougie Lifestyle Collection. That was my coffee. So I want to learn how to turn corners. So I just turned on my sewing machine. I'm really about to draw me like a little maze with the marker y'all seen me working with yesterday, so I can sew the band in there. And also this is also going to help me sew in a straight line. So I'm sewing two things at one time. Okay. I'm putting it where I think it is gonna go. This might be incorrect though, y'all. Which is why we're practicing, because, yeah. I would like want them to be, but again, y'all, I'm literally just practicing. This is like only my third day of actually messing with a sewing machine, so for me to be kind of like, I don't know if y'all can really see. Well, I'll show y'all in a minute. So as y'all can see, I started right here. I was doing pretty good right here. I started to go off line like right here, but I think this is the stitching pattern that I would like to construct the wigs with. This one I didn't go all the way down, but I still turned it and keep going. I did pretty good here. Started going off track here. On this one, I think I did pretty damn good. Like, that one's really good. This one's good. It's like the more that I'm going, it's getting better, and it's the same on both sides, which means that I did thread my bobbin correctly and doing this correctly. So I think that one was pretty good. I'm gonna try to basically, like you see, this is it's open or whatever. I'm about to try to like basically sew, I guess, the end of this. I'm just trying whatever, y'all, so I can like just get the hang of this thing, honestly. That's okay, y'all. Look. I got really close to the edge right there. Let's see. She ain't going nowhere. Y'all, I'm super excited.
Years later.
Okay, proud of myself. And like I said, this sewing machine was gifted to me by somebody. It is a brother, but let me tell you something. This thing right here don't play no games. All right, I'm back. So it has been a week since I last talked to y'all because I really psyched myself out and didn't want to make a wig on the sewing machine until I watched more videos. So I did just get done watching a couple of videos and I'm about to actually start doing it now. So I have 12 and 14 inch bundles from Bougie Lifestyle Collection. I also have half a bundle in my excess hair drawer that I keep here. So I'm about to start double wefting them now so I can make the wig, y'all. Please pray for me because yeah, I've been really nervous to do this, but we're gonna go ahead and get it together. Don't mind this big old crater on my face. She's very disrespectful. We're not gonna pay attention to her. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and start this process. Pray for me. Like this, not laying on top of each other, but like right below each other.
Yeah, this part right here has got to be the most difficultest part, the most hardest part about making a wig, y'all, for real. Like double wefting it and sewing the weft together is so difficult, and this is something that I really need to make sure I practice because y'all, this thing gave me a run for my money.
Y'all, this part is not as easy as it looks. Like, doubling the weft is really not as easy as it looks. Just go slow and steady and try your best, y'all. But it's really not as easy as it looks. Y'all, so it is days later again. I'm not for sure the last time I talked to y'all. I think it was on Saturday or Sunday, y'all. I can't really remember. Today's Wednesday. Y'all, I just been super duper scared. I've been psyching myself out, and I told myself, y'all, I'm not psyching myself out no more. I'm gonna hinder my blessings, psyching myself out, getting in my head. So I'm about to go ahead and make this wig. So I did already sew down the closure. Y'all done seen me do that a million times. I did not think I had to do that on camera. If y'all want to see those videos, y'all, please go back to any wig making videos before this video, and y'all gonna see me sew down that closure, okay? All right. They said it's supposed to be 2 finger lengths apart. I did also, like I said, I don't watch enough videos to like feel like I know what I'm doing. They did say that to go ahead and cut the closure from underneath, the closure or the frontal from underneath, because it makes it easier to sew when you're sewing it on a sewing machine. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut her out. The damn needle. How the fuck do you change a needle once you break it? Somebody tell me, please.
3 weeks later.
Alright, y'all. So this is like 2 weeks later. I ended up breaking the needle. I think I told y'all that the last time that I seen y'all. I ended up breaking the needle. I did get new needles. I got new needles immediately. The girl who made my birthday outfit, which is the blue outfit that's in my intro with the hearts in the skirt or whatever, I had hit her up and she was like, well, do you have universal needles? And I was like, I don't know, girl. I'm just using the one that came with it. And she was like, well, depending on what you're sewing, you need to have a universal needle. So this whole time I was supposed to have a universal needle. But she told me breaking needles is like normal. But y'all, I was feeling really like discouraged and I was feeling down because I was like, damn, I done broke a needle. But she was like, it's normal or whatever, but I just needed some time. And honestly, y'all, I was being lazy and I was procrastinating. I told y'all in my last video that I'm trying to get out of that. And it's a work in progress. So I got these from Walmart. This was the old needle.
I actually lied to y'all when I said sewing the wefts together was the most difficult part. No, sewing it on the cap is the most difficult part, baby. You got to make sure that you're pulling that cap at the same time that you're sewing it. If not, it is not going to stretch.